Mrs. Johnston, today we are going to apply what we learned in our story about Abraham Lincoln. So, before we begin, let's review what we learned about Abraham Lincoln. Who was the President of the United States during the Civil War? Did you remember and say Abraham Lincoln? Who remembers why? What was the Civil War about or over? It was over slavery. Was Abraham Lincoln for or against slavery? He was against slavery. That's right. What did Abraham Lincoln look like? Did you remember and say things like he was tall, wore a very tall hat, and had a beard? What was the most famous thing Abraham Lincoln did during his presidency? Abraham Lincoln was most famous for writing the Emancipation Proclamation, the document that made slavery illegal. Where did he keep that document for a really long time before he brought it to the public? Did you remember he kept that document under his hat? So, what you are going to do is you are going to complete activity page 6.1. This is a picture frame. You are going to draw a portrait of Abraham Lincoln. Include as many details as you can. Then you can label your portrait as well. Remember, Abraham Lincoln was tall, he wore a very tall hat, and he had a beard. He was also known for the Emancipation Proclamation, that was a document that made slavery illegal. And he was from the northern states, and he was against slavery and fought with the southern states in the US Civil War. I look forward to seeing your portraits of Abraham Lincoln.